I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks. I think the average human lives 4,000 weeks. So this is something that was easy to do, and I feel much better. I feel revived. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully your morning is great and you're starting your day off well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. This is a quick smoothie called the Raspberry Bliss Smoothie. Raspberries are really rich in antioxidants and can help nourish your skin, keeping you younger looking and getting rid of some wrinkles, or at least preventing wrinkles is what we should say. So let's get started with today's ingredients. 1 banana, frozen. Peel your bananas, stick them in the freezer, and they'll last a month or two versus a week out. So peel your bananas, freeze them, they will last longer. A half a cup of raspberries, frozen or fresh. 2 tablespoons of hemp protein. 1 teaspoon of carob powder. I'm using a carob paste. And 1.5 cups to 2 cups of almond milk. Now, what am I excited about? This is the 3rd week of the Let It Go Diet 21-day transformation. But you know, I've done this for 2 weeks. I made this smoothie earlier, and now this time around, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Why? Well, I don't have raspberries, but I have a mixture of berries. That's okay. It calls for a half a cup. It looks like I have about a half a cup left. Banana. The carob paste instead of carob powder. This is just a carob powder that I made into a paste, and I'm keeping it stored in the refrigerator. This is calling for 2 tablespoons of hemp protein. And last, I just need to do a 1.5 cups of milk. Almond milk. Almond milk. Oh my gosh, no regular milk. The Let It Go Diet is basically vegan eating. 100% vegan eating. And remember, you're becoming a vegan chef. You're learning new ingredients and you're losing weight and delivering micronutrients to your body. I mean, it's a win-win-win-win-win. Many wins involved here. For fun, because I didn't have coconut flakes the first 2 weeks when I went to the grocery store this time, I bought some coconut flakes. So, I'm just going to add a pinch to this recipe. And next, we're going to blend it up. But before we do that, this is week 3 of the Let It Go Diet 21-day planner. Have fun with it. And stop eating or drinking a smoothie when you're full. Don't go past the point where you feel full. Here's a good example. This is the spaghetti squash that I made last night. It was, not that I made yesterday, for yesterday lunch and last night's dinner. This is my leftovers. I didn't gobble it down. I could have, but you know what? I was feeling full, so I stopped. I'm going to freeze this, and when I'm done after the 21 days, I'll continue on for a few more days. So stop eating when you feel full. Do not emotionally eat. Emotionally eating is bad eating choices and eating past the point where you're really already full. Always make sure your lid is on. Alright, we'll let that calm down for a moment. So remember, bulletin boards, TV advertisements, your phone advertisements, they're bombarding you constantly with bad eating choices. The food and the food that you purchase through those advertisements really just benefits the companies making revenue. It's not truly benefiting your body. Eating raw vegetables, fruit, continue with it on the Let It Go diet. Let's give this Raspberry Bliss a smoothie. I modified it. I use a berry blend and a little bit of coconut. That is a rich purple color with some white flakes from the coconut flakes kind of floating around in there. That is delicious. That's it. I mean, thanks for tuning in. This is the Raspberry Bliss Smoothie. We are on day 15. I am down 10 to 11 pounds now. You know, weight fluctuates a little bit. I feel fantastic. My pain level, people, when I started this 15 days ago, my pain was an 8 out of 10 in my back. An 8 out of 10. No lie. And it was like that for several months, and I was like, man, I gotta change something. Start a little bit of Pilates, which I was already doing a little bit, the best I could, and it was tough. Pilates, a lot better. My pain is down to a 3 or 4 out of 10. That's cut in half. I'm telling you, we are what we eat. Let It Go Diet, subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you soon. Cheers. So good, so good.